Welcome back, Super Friends. Today we are going to model multiplication between decimals and whole numbers. We will be using our base 10 block. So today what you'll need is your math notebook or folder, a pencil to write with, and don't forget that Super Beta Force. Stay tuned for the video. All right, Super Friends. So to model when we multiply decimals and whole numbers, we're going to use our base 10 blocks to do that. Remember that our whole number, so if it's in the ones place, is going to be considered a flat. Then we have our decimal, and if we're doing the tenths place, it's going to be the stick. If we're doing the hundredths place, it's going to be the little guy. And if we're doing the thousandths place, it's going to be that big cube block. Now let's get to our example. I'm going to use the pictures to go ahead and solve the problem. All right, going to our first example, it says 1.25 times 2. So 1 and 25 hundredths times 2. If I draw that out, my 1 is a flat, then I have my 2 tenths, and then I have my 5 littles, which looks like mini flats. Okay, then I have to do it twice. So I draw it again. As we get used to this, we will end up drawing our sticks just like a line, and then our littles will just end up being dots. But since we're starting, we have to do this. So if I get it twice, I have one, let me change the color. I have 1, 2 flats. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 littles. I can convert these littles into another stick. So that stick will be our 5th stick. Now, writing this out as an answer, my 2 flats go in the holes, which is 1, the ones place. So I have 2 there. Then my sticks will go in the tenths, like the picture. So it goes here, my 5. I said 6. I meant my 5 sticks here, and that would be our answer. Now, if we were to actually multiply this out, we would still end up getting that answer, but I haven't showed you guys how to multiply it out yet, so we're just going to stick to pictures. Next example. Excuse me. I'm almost done. Stay quiet. All right, next example, we have 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks, and then 5 littles. 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when I add these all together, if I have to convert them into anything, I'm going to do that. Starting with my littles, if I can convert these, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. That turns it into another stick. So that's one more stick. I still have 5 left. That doesn't say anything. I know my sticks can turn into flats. So these right here can turn into a flat. So now I have 1 flat. I have 6 sticks. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have 5 littles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I wrote that down as an actual number, it would look like 1.65. And that would be our answer. Next example. All right, this next example is going to be a lot of drawing, only because we have to do this times 6. So I have 1 stick, 2 littles, and I'm doing this 6 times. 2nd time, 3rd time, 4th time, 5th time, and then 6th time. So now I'm going to add all these up, see if I can convert anything and get my final answer written as a decimal. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 littles that I can convert. So let's move these littles and change them into 1 more stick. So this is a stick now. Sorry. And then I have my 2 littles left over. So how many sticks do I have total? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So my answer is just going to be 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 littles. How would that look as a decimal? That would be 0.72, because remember the sticks are in the tenths place, the littles are in the hundredths place. Hundredths. Okie dokie. We're using this to solve all of our other problems today.